Neck stiffness after watching TV? Try this quick fix routine. First, neck flexion and extension. Slowly lower your chin to your chest. Then lift your chin up toward the ceiling. Move gently and do 10 slow reps. Next, the upper trap stretch. Tilt your head to the side and hold for 10 seconds. Feel the tightness ease. Now, gentle neck rotations. Turn your head to the right as far as is comfortable. Hold for 10 seconds, then return to center. Repeat to the left. Do this anytime stiffness hits. Follow relief motion for daily pain fixes that work.